Now for Vespa small frame we have finalmente the kit 221. This is a kit complete. A crankcase, cylinder, piston, head and muffler. Before we show it but not sell because we haven't the muffler, because if one client buy he can't use because I haven't the muffler. Now we have this is the final muffler. The kit is ready. After the EICMA we started the selling, but after the EICMA because now this is the final kit and the client must choose only the gears, the clutch also. We have the clutch, but if they want to change another type they can't.
So that clutch down there is not part of the kit?
No, because for the client I prefer that the client chose because it's possible that they have another type in a home and they use only this material is complete in the client buy the cylinder kit with the crankcase and the muffler is separated, but they must buy the muffler if they wanted to use it. News, super news that people search in the market is the white muffler Pinasco with ceramic treatment, and we found finally the factory that do for us the treatment, and we restart to do the muffler same as before of Mr. Pinasco, and it is many people are very happy that we do. And we do a very old muffler, black, similar treatment but black. Is one special edition that we do only for sometimes, but I don't know if we do complete or we make one number and stop. It's a special edition. For other parts we have the new Zuerino 122 with a booster, new inlet, new power. Is similar as before but change inside to increase the power, to increase the performance, and is a kit that people like very good. Many people ask me when the cylinder Zuerino is ready. Sorry, we are testing. No, you want Zuerino, Now it's ready. The people don't call me to ask when the Zuerino is ready, because it's ready to sell. This is just selling.